I'm going to show you how to replace this bland, standard Lilygo Gaggimate screen with this. Boom. My name is Dule Rabbit, and let me take you down this rabbit hole. I'm going to help you get that sleeker, smartwatch style display that actually fits the machine instead of that bulky circular screen from Lilygo with the massive empty border. This screen is 2.1 inches. Outer screen with the border is a lot bigger. For whatever reason, in my brain, when I was looking at these pictures and videos of this screen, even though it said 1.75, I read it as 2.75, which in my brain, for whatever reason, it made it stretch out to the outskirts of the screen and made it AMOLED pretty. And I said to myself, maybe eventually one day. And I ordered it off of Amazon. And when it came, it was just like this small box. And I'm like, wait, this makes zero sense. So I open it up and this small thingy comes out. And I'm like, what? Go on my phone, it says 1.75. I was like, oh my God, it's smaller. Why would I need a smaller screen? And then I put it on the Gaggia Classic. And it just made sense. It just made sense because I made a video just recently about the two UIs and the screens and how you use them. This is what you need. You don't need, I'm coming from the Gaggio days of, you know, small screen, I broke it, I bought a 4.3 inch, bigger is better. How can I make, is there a circular screen that's bigger? Can we code this to be a bigger rectangular? No. The approach is completely false. Smaller is better. Smaller is better. It's literally in the same footprint as the inner circle of this screen. Size, perfection. Quality of the screen, phenomenal. It's not dull. It's AMOLED, it's super dark. So the colors and the whites and the reds and the blues just pop out so much nicer. And you're actually using the same amount of real estate that's on this screen. And that's my complete winning point. I'm sticking with this. This is going in a drawer, just in case if I break anything. Is it worth the money? You don't need it. This does the job. Please, I'm not sponsored by this guy. I'm not doing anything. It's just the option is there. Again, not open source, but source available. They give you the option to change the screen. I just want to once more admire how nice, crisp, and black this screen is. We are looking at the Waveshare ESP32S3 AMOLED 1.75 inches. You will need custom wiring for this. Coming into here, 3v3, and usually the Lilygo screen would have this plug-in here for the positive, and then the ground would be black for the negative, and you can call it a day. Unfortunately not for this, because I plugged it in and this screen was not powering on. In this screen is an output. This screen exclusively gets powered by the V-bus, which is 5 volts. So you need to pull 5 volts from the PC board. We have a header there that's not occupied, so we can pull it out from there, and I'm going to show you now where to get it. Folks, this is an unnecessary upgrade. Your screen works, it's perfectly fine. You don't need it. This is just aesthetically pleasing. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but chef's kiss across the board. This screen, it's fairly cheap. In Canada, I got it for 50 bucks. This is so pretty, makes the whole mod look so much nicer. And then the last thing is you need to 3D print your cases for the screen, and be careful. You need some screws. I have a lot of them, and I managed to break my first screen. So be careful with that. My name is Dule Rabbit. Improve your Gaggimate. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one.